Leading an effective meeting is a skill that requires careful planning, clear communication, and the ability to engage participants to ensure productivity and positive outcomes. Whether in a corporate setting, team collaboration, or informal group discussions, meetings are essential for decision-making, problem-solving, and strategic planning. However, ineffective meetings can lead to wasted time and frustration. This summary provides a guide on how to lead a meeting that is purposeful, efficient, and engaging. The foundation of an effective meeting starts with a well-defined purpose. Before scheduling a meeting, ask yourself, is this meeting necessary? Meetings should have a clear objective, whether it's to make decisions, solve problems, share information, or brainstorm ideas. Once the purpose is established, create an agenda that aligns with the goal. A concise agenda outlines the key topics to be covered and keeps the meeting focused. Share the agenda with participants in advance, allowing them to prepare accordingly. A structured agenda also ensures that the meeting stays on track, preventing tangential discussions that can derail progress. One of the key elements of an effective meeting is having the right participants. Only invite individuals who are essential to the meeting's goals, either because they have decision-making power, relevant information, or key insights that will contribute to the discussion. Overcrowding a meeting with too many attendees can reduce its effectiveness, as not everyone will have something to contribute. When inviting people, clarify their roles. Let them know if they are there to provide input, make decisions, or simply observe. This ensures that participants understand what is expected of them, making the meeting more productive. Time management is crucial in meetings. Starting on time sets a professional tone and ensures that latecomers do not delay the process. To maintain punctuality, consider implementing a strict rule. Once the scheduled time begins, the meeting starts, regardless of whether all participants are present. Similarly, meetings should end on time. This respect for participants' schedules shows professionalism and fosters a sense of efficiency. To help with timekeeping, designate a timekeeper who monitors the flow of the meeting and ensures that discussions do not go over the allotted time for each agenda item. This will prevent meetings from running long, which can cause frustration and lead to disengagement. An effective meeting is one where participants are engaged and actively contribute. To achieve this, encourage participation from everyone in the room. Start by setting the tone with open-ended questions that invite input, such as, "What are your thoughts on this issue?" or, "How do you think we should proceed?" Avoid letting a few people dominate the conversation, as this can lead to others feeling excluded or disengaged. If the meeting includes decision-making, ensure that all voices are heard before reaching a conclusion. Use facilitation techniques such as round-robin discussions or breakout groups to encourage broader participation. When participants feel their opinions are valued, they are more likely to engage and contribute meaningful insights. Meetings can easily veer off topic if not carefully managed. As the meeting leader, it's your responsibility to steer the conversation back to the agenda if discussions start to wander. Politely interject if needed, saying something like, "That's an important point, but let's table it for now and return to our main topic." If participants bring up issues not directly related to the meeting's objective, suggest addressing them in a follow-up meeting or through other channels. This keeps the meeting focused and prevents wasted time. In addition to maintaining focus, manage distractions, especially in virtual meetings. Request participants to turn off notifications, silence phones, and avoid multitasking. Virtual meetings should also have clear etiquette rules, such as muting when not speaking, to avoid background noise that can disrupt the flow. Technology can play a significant role in running an effective meeting, especially with the rise of remote work and virtual collaboration. Use online meeting platforms that offer tools for sharing screens, presentations, and real-time collaboration. Leverage productivity tools like shared documents or project management apps to ensure that participants can contribute or view materials during the meeting. For virtual meetings, ensure technical setups are smooth by testing audio, video, and screen sharing features ahead of time. It's also useful to have a backup plan, such as an alternative conferencing link, in case of technical difficulties. At the end of the meeting, summarize the key takeaways to ensure that everyone leaves with a clear understanding of the decisions made and next steps. This recap can be brief but should highlight important conclusions, unresolved issues, and any follow-up tasks. Assign specific action items with deadlines to individuals or teams to ensure accountability. Clarify who is responsible for each task, and provide a timeframe for completion. Without clear action points, meetings can feel unproductive, and important tasks may fall through the cracks. Send a follow-up email with the meeting summary and action items to all participants to reinforce the outcomes of the meeting and keep everyone aligned. Continuous improvement is key to effective meetings. After the meeting, consider getting feedback from participants on what worked well and what could be improved. This can be done through a quick survey or informal discussions. Based on the feedback, make adjustments to improve future meetings. Whether it's adjusting the length, tightening the agenda, or enhancing engagement, regularly evaluating meeting effectiveness helps ensure that future meetings are even more productive. Leading an effective meeting requires preparation, active engagement, and clear communication. By defining clear objectives, inviting the right people, managing time effectively, encouraging participation, and following up with action items, you can ensure that your meetings are productive and contribute to your organization's goals. The true mark of an effective meeting is one where participants leave with clarity, motivation, and a sense of accomplishment, ready to take action.